To tackle AI ethics, we'll examine three frameworks that help guide ethical decision-making. Although there are many ethical frameworks, in our more advanced class, AI and Ethics, we will explore some of those. For demonstration purposes, we will start with utilitarianism, which focuses on the greatest good for the greatest number of people, deontology, which emphasizes rules and moral duties, and virtue ethics, which emphasizes moral character and virtue. Utilitarianism is an ethical theory that emphasizes the consequences of actions. The central idea is that the morally right decision is the one that results in the greatest good for the greatest number of people. In the context of AI, this could apply to decision-making algorithms in healthcare, law enforcement, or education, where the goal is to maximize benefits, such as improved outcomes, increased efficiency, or reduced harm. For example, if an AI system is designed to allocate healthcare resources, like ventilators or vaccines, during a crisis, a utilitarian approach would focus on ensuring the greatest possible benefit to society. This could mean prioritizing patients who are most likely to survive, potentially at the expense of those with more severe conditions, but lower survival odds. However, challenges arise when considering who determines what constitutes the greatest good, and whether certain groups or individuals might be disproportionately affected. The key questions for utilitarianism in AI is how do we ensure that the benefits are maximized for society as a whole without inadvertently harming vulnerable or marginalized groups? Deontological ethics focuses on duties, rules, and principles rather than outcomes. According to this framework, some actions are morally obligatory, regardless of their consequences. The guiding principle that certain actions are inherently right or wrong, and we must adhere to these rules when making decisions. In AI ethics, this could mean ensuring that AI systems are developed and used in a way that respects individual rights and freedoms, regardless of the broader societal outcomes. For instance, AI should be designed to respect privacy, avoid discrimination, and ensure transparency. A deontologist might argue that AI systems should never be designed to deceive or manipulate, even if doing so could lead to a better outcome, such as increased sales or customer engagement. The focus is on maintaining moral duties like honesty, fairness, and respect for autonomy when creating and implementing AI systems. The key questions for deontology in AI include how do we ensure AI systems follow ethical rules that protect individual rights, even if these rules might result in less optimal outcomes in certain situations. Virtue ethics is concerned with the moral character of the individuals or organizations responsible for creating and using AI, rather than focusing solely on rules or outcomes. The idea is that ethical behavior arises from cultivating virtuous traits, such as honesty, compassion, fairness, and responsibility. In AI, this framework emphasizes the importance of the people who design and implement AI systems. Rather than simply following rules or calculating outcomes, those involved in AI development should strive to embody virtues that promote human well-being and societal flourishing. A virtue ethics approach would encourage AI developers to cultivate qualities like empathy, humility, and wisdom when creating systems that affect people's lives. For example, in designing AI systems for hiring or admissions, the developers should consider the social impact of their choices and how their work reflects their character and values. Are they creating a system that is just, inclusive, and beneficial for all people, or one that disproportionately benefits certain groups while marginalizing others? The key question in virtue ethics for AI is how can we ensure that those who design AI systems possess and apply virtuous traits that prioritize the well-being of all people. In summary, these three frameworks provide valuable tools for thinking about AI ethics. Utilitarianism focuses on maximizing the greatest good for the greatest number of people, considering the outcomes of AI decisions. Deontology emphasizes adherence to moral duties and rules regardless of the consequences, ensuring that AI systems respect fundamental rights and principles. And virtue ethics centers on the moral character of individuals and organizations, encouraging developers to cultivate virtues that promote ethical AI development. Each framework offers a different perspective, and as we explore more advanced topics in AI ethics, we will examine how these frameworks can be applied to real-world AI issues and challenges. Understanding and balancing these frameworks is key to making ethical decisions in the development and deployment of AI technologies.